Hello kids, how are you? Look, it's the night. Come on, let's find some animals. Shh. Oh, look. What animal is it? Hmm, it's a horse. A horse. Come on. Oh, look. What animal is it? Hmm, it's a sheep. A sheep. Excellent. Oh, what animal is it? It's a cow. A cow. Oh, what animal is it? It's a pig. A pig. Come on. Oh, what animal is it? It's a duck. A duck. Let's go. Oh, what animal is it? It's a turkey. A turkey. Oh, what animal is it? It's a rooster. A rooster. Okay, let's go. Oh, look, what animal is it? It's a chick. A chick. Let's go. Oh, what animal is it? It's a goat. A goat. We found a lot of animals. Okay, kids,